So good morning all. Once again a warm welcome to all the faculties and all the delegates present here. So it's a work of last 10 months from a big team all working together to reach to this stage today morning 9 a.m. So when we started we had a lot of thoughts how it will be, what it will be, how to do, how to execute. But I would say the members, like you see in that logo, so the members from ISCCM, Bhubaneswar branch, Cuttack branch, and our core committee member, executive committee members, the team from the hospital, starting from CEO madam, and all our team members from hospital, the support. The vision from Dr. Rungta for this time and again, he guided us. And last but not the least, Dr. Banamba Resa, my head of the department, my senior, my mentor, my guide. So he was always there to guide for this conference. So my heartfelt thanks to all the dignitaries present here on the dais, Dr. Rungta, Dr. Ray, CEO Swetapadma ma'am, and all the senior faculties, those who have come from nook and corner of the country and abroad also, with a faith, with a hope for this great grand academic meet, which is first of its kind in Odisha critical care. So many thanks to all the faculties who have joined here for this conference, workshop and conference, all the delegates who have come within the different parts of Odisha and outside Odisha also, and also from outside India. Few delegates have come from UK also. So my heartfelt thanks to all of you. Also I would like to thank our executive committee members, ISCCM Bhubaneswar City branch, those who have stood at every point of time in any decision for this conference. So thank you all the members. I would also like to thank my core team members for this conference, Dr. Biswavikas, Dr. Alisha, Dr. Pragyan, Dr. Vitthal, Dr. Samir. So they stood all the way. So many thanks to all of you for all your support. Special thanks to Dr. Sarmili, who is the National ISCCM Vice President, for her guidance. Dr. Pragyan Rautrai for his guidance, the East Journal member, for guiding me always. So I would also like to thank all the team members from Samam family. I will say it's a family. Definitely, I know what I am saying. Starting from my sisters, starting from my housekeeping, starting from my security, starting from my HR team, starting from anybody you see. I have not seen a hospital like this. It's a family. Again, I would like to repeat, it's a family. So thank you, my family, Samam family, for all your support to have this date possible today. And my apology if I would have missed anybody's name. Last but not the least, my heartfelt thanks to the team meeting and more. So we have been in touch since 2023 W4C, and we had worked together in East Zone Conference in 2022, which is a grand success. So again we met together, came together, decided together to organize this conference, and I hope I have seen their effort, their planning, their execution, and they are the team who are doing the national conference since the last few years. So I hope with support of all of you, with blessings of all of you, and last but not the least, the blessings of Almighty Lord Jagannath, He is there. With all His blessings, this will be a grand academic meet, a grand conference and workshop. So thank you all, and with this we start for the workshop today. Thank you all. Namaskar.